Here is a rectangle. Look, a rectangle. The length of the rectangle is 7 centimeters longer. Sorry, the length of the rectangle is 7 centimeters longer than the width of the rectangle. And 4 of those shapes are used to make an 8-sided shape. The perimeter, so around the outside, is 70 centimeters. Work out the area. Okay, so these are the type of things that, especially if you're doing higher, you're going to have to get used to. The length is this width plus 7. So if I call that width x and that x plus 7, I'm starting to create an algebraic expression, or we'll have an algebraic expression in a second. So if I know that this shorter length here now is x, I can label that as x. I know that this length here is x plus 7. I know this length is x. This length is, well, this length here is x plus 7, take away x, so that's just 7. This here is x plus 7. X, you're starting to get where I'm going with this. X plus 7, x. This is x plus 7. So you actually get a mark just for having anywhere in your answer 7452. So as long as the person who's marking it can see 7452, there's a mark already. Now, if it was 10 to the negative 4, 10 to the negative 4 at the moment, what that means is actually the number's a lot smaller than this. And I'm going to do it step by step just so we can remember. So if I wanted to the negative 3, I would move everything across 1. So I'm going to take 1 from here and move it all across 1. So it becomes 0.7452. Now if I went it to the negative 2, it would be 0.07452 times 10 to the negative 1, 0.00742. So I've got 3.5 add 7, which is now 10.5, so I can cross that out and put 10.5. So to find the area of that shape now, I can do 10.5 times 3.5. So 10.5 times 3.5 equals 36.75. Okay, so that's the area of one shape, and that's centimeters squared. But I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. So I'm now going to do 4 times by 36.75, and that equals 147. And that's what's on the mark scheme, so that's very lucky. 147 centimeters squared. Now it's given me the units here, so I don't really need to put the units. I took the test 80 times, and Tom only took the test 20